I would say if carried, it was very rarely carried and well cared for. All right, let's just get right into this one. This one is not going to be new to many, but it is new to me. Let's see what we got here. All right, here's what we got. We have a smooth precision pen, a Jigsaw full size, smooth as can be. The milling on this is just spectacular. This is sent to me by someone who did not use it a lot. This looks phenomenal. I would say if carried, it was very rarely carried and well cared for. I see a tiny little mark on the clip. The cap looks great. Mechanism, hardly anywhere.